Hello everyone, welcome to Tohi Tech. In today's tutorial video guys, I'm going to show you how you can update the firmware of DJI Wireless Mic 2. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can update the firmware in the receiver and the both transmitter step by step. So first of all, I would like to show you how you can test it out the firmware version on the receiver. So if you press the power button on the receiver, it will turn on with the power button on the right hand side. So if you swipe down on LCD, you will go to the setting. So if you move around and scroll to the setting and select with the selector and move around to the I button which is says version, if you click that one, so you can see the firmware version which is a current one. I just updated a few moments ago. So I decided to make a video to show you guys how you can update the firmware version in the DJI Wireless Mic 2 receiver and the both transmitter. So updating the firmware version in the receiver and the transmitter would require the original USB-C cable which came with the DJI Wireless Mic 2, or you can use any USB-C to USB-C cable to transfer the data file which we are going to download from the DJI website into the receiver and to the transmitters. So let me take you to the DJI website. So first of all, you have to turn the receiver off. So as you can see, it's been turned off, and now you just need the original USB-C cable, and you can just connect with the receiver and you can connect the other end to the laptop. So let's go to the laptop screen. So guys, as you can see, I have connected my DJI Wireless Mic receiver to the computer, and this is the folder it shows in here. Shows there's no file inside at the moment. So we are here on the DJI firmware download website. So as you can see here, this is the latest firmware available at the moment. So the top one is for the receiver, which is launched in 2024-0809. So the firmware version is 04.05.01.11. This is for the receiver, and the Wireless Mic 2 transmitter is the similar firmware as well, which is launched on the same date. And there's also DJI Wireless Mic 2 firmware update guide as well. If you would like to have a look and read it, the file in there, you can download and read that one. So as you can see over here, this is the complete guide of how you can update firmware version of your DJI Wireless Mic 2. This is all step by step in the details in here. If you click on the download button of the receiver file first, so the download will start in there, and you just have to go to the download section. I already downloaded that file. So if you go to the download section, you have a receiver file in here. So just copy that one and paste into the receiver folder, just like that. It will take a few moments to transfer the copy file into the receiver. So I'm going to unplug the DJI Wireless Mic receiver just now. So once you unplug the receiver, it will start updating by itself. You don't have to do anything. My one is already updated, so this one's not going to update again. But after the updating, the file inside the receiver will automatically is formatted from there. So now I'm going to update the transmitter. So I'm going to use the left transmitter first. So I'm going to connect this one with the laptop and download the firmware file inside the transmitter. So guys, I have plugged in the receiver to the laptop. So as you can see over here, this is the folder. So again, you have to download the transmitter firmware from here. Just click that one and will download into your laptop download folder. As you can see, I already downloaded here. So I'm going to copy this one to the transmitter memory. So it will also take a few moments to download inside the transmitter. So once you downloaded the firmware file into the transmitter memory, and you have to eject and unplug the USB cable, and you will see on the right hand side the LED will blinking, flashing LED red and green. Its mean is the transmitter is updating the firmware itself. You don't have to do anything. So same procedure for the second one. You just plug into the USB cable and transfer the file which we downloaded from the DJI website for the transmitter firmware update, and after transfer the file into the mic, unplug from the USB cable, and it will start updating the software in here. So you can check back if the firmware version is updated. Just swipe back the screen again, go to the setting and move back to the icon which is says version on that one, and press that one, and you will see the same version which is mentioned on the website. This is the latest firmware version at the moment. So this is been updated both the receiver and the transmitter, and this is very easy to update the firmware on the DJI wireless mic 2. So guys, if you like my tutorial video of updating the firmware file on DJI wireless mic 2 transmitter and the both receiver, please leave a like and leave your comments in the comment section. This is very easy step. You can follow the guideline from the DJI website, or you can follow the steps which I showed you on my video. So thank you very much for watching. Good luck and see you in next tutorial video.